Huh? Why is Diva not changing the content? Hi and welcome to the world of Diva. Today we're going to sort out this very question. If the Diva doesn't change the content immediately after you signed it and new content in your Diva app, don't worry, the Diva is not broken. The Diva is just very efficient. That means it's not reconnecting to the cloud every second. It only reconnects to the cloud every 5 minutes in order to save the power. If I sign the new content to the Diva within those 5 minutes, that means when the Diva in so-called deep sleep mode, the content will not change yet. You will have to wait the maximum of 5 minutes, but it can happen the Diva's content will be changed immediately. It means after 2 to 3 seconds. That'd be if you timed it exactly right. But you just have to wait a bit. The maximum is 5 minutes and your content will be changed. Therefore, don't worry, the Diva is not broken. Just wait and you'll see the change. If you don't see any changes happening within those 5 minutes, just try and plug your Diva to the power supply and maybe this will solve the problem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.